Hi all, this is Uday here. I welcome you all to the course, and you know very well we are looking at the series of government schemes which is aimed at civil service examination 2020. Okay, it will be applicable for both preliminary and mains examination. So as part of the initiative, now we are going to look at the school health ambassador initiative. Okay, so if you see, there are two keywords here. Okay, school is a keyword, health is an keyword. Okay, if you look at school, it can be associated with HRD ministry. Okay, school is basically maintained and regulated. All those regulations, initiatives comes from the human resource development ministry, but health is a subject of health ministry. So here if you see in this initiative, there are two ministries collaborating. So that is what I have given here. So there are two ministries which are involved in collaborating this particular initiative. So HRD and health ministry. Okay, and what is the aim of this particular initiative? It is to spread awareness. Okay, spread awareness about what? About preventive health aspects. So we all know there has been several schemes initiated by the government of India for health related aspects. Okay, so here this is specific for preventive health aspects, and that is for schools specifically. Okay, so in schools they are trying to implement some measures which actually helps in preventive healthcare aspects. Okay, so that is what you need to understand. This is the aim of the initiative, and this basic initiative we already seen, right? There has been several initiatives by the government of India in the area of health. Okay, so there is another flagship program which I just want to introduce to you. You might have heard Ayushman Bharat, right? Ayushman Bharat. Ayushman Bharat is one of the flagship scheme of government of India, and this school health ambassador initiative is going to be implemented as part of Ayushman Bharat. So school health ambassador initiative is part of Ayushman Bharat. Okay, so this is what you need to know. So as part of Ayushman Bharat, school health ambassador initiative is being implemented. So there are several other things that I want to put in front of you, because along with these measures, that is the school health ambassador initiative, there are several other measures which is also taken by the government of India, which you need to know. I'll tell you one by one. Eat Right campaign. So this is a campaign which is conducted by government of India, that is health ministry, and Fit India movement and Poshan Abhiyan. So these three also implemented along with Ayushman Bharat. Okay, so totally there are four: school health ambassador initiative, Eat Right campaign, Fit India movement, Poshan Abhiyan. So all these are implemented together to have a overall development for the child health in our country. So children's health all together. Okay, so here if you see what is Eat Right movement. So what is it? So Eat Right movement basically mean it was basically launched by FSSAI, Food Standard Safety Authority of India. Okay, so they actually implemented this one, though they actually launched this one. So the aim of Eat Right movement is to reduce the consumption of salt, sugar, and oil by 30%. Okay, in a time frame of 3 years. So here we are seeing that Eat Right movement, Eat Right campaign, which is launched by FSSAI, which is aiming at reduction of consumption of salt, sugar, and oil by 30% in 3 years. So this is about Eat Right campaign. So let's look at Fit India Movement. So what is Fit India Movement? So Fit India Movement is an initiative which is by the Health Ministry again. You might have seen our Prime Minister doing yoga and other physical activities, and he has uploaded the video on Twitter, YouTube, and everywhere. So, as a result, he is trying to create awareness about being fit. Okay, so being fit is an initiative launched by our Prime Minister of India and Indira Gandhi Stadium in New Delhi. So it was done on exactly 29th August 2019. Okay, so it was launched by our PM itself. Okay, and we have the third one, Poshan Abhiyan. So what is this Poshan Abhiyan? So basically this is a multi-ministerial convergence mission. So what is the aim? The aim is very important here. So the aim basically means here to free India from what? Malnutrition by 2022. So this is the target. Okay, so Poshan Abhiyan is something that is related to freeing of India from malnutrition by 2022. Basically the attainment of malnutrition free India by 2022. Okay, so far we have seen what is School Health Ambassador Initiative and what is Ayushman Bharat and what are the other related health initiatives done by the Government of India. Now we are going to see how the School Health Ambassador Initiative is going to be implemented. So how it is going to be implemented. Okay, so there will be health and wellness ambassadors, okay, who will be chosen. So there will be 2 teachers in every school who will be health and wellness ambassadors. Okay, so there will be 2 teachers in the school who will be health and wellness ambassadors, and there will be class monitors, the students who will be class monitors, who will be called health and wellness messengers. Okay, so here there is 2 important keywords here: health and wellness ambassadors and health and wellness messengers. Okay, so there will be 2 teachers who will be chosen from the school, and the class monitors will be there, and they are called health and wellness messengers. So using these as a base, okay, and infrastructure, they are trying to implement this School Health Ambassador Initiative. Okay, so there are a few other informations as well. So the activities which will be conducted by these people, that is the 2 teachers and the class monitors, will be like 1 hour per week for 24 weeks in a year. Okay, so 1 hour per week for 24 weeks, this initiative will be taken up by the schools, okay, in the schools. And there is another important aspect that I want to highlight here, that is NRG. So what is NRG? That is National Resource Group. So there is something called National Resource Group. Okay, so it has been constituted by NCERT. So you all know NCERT. So NCERT has constituted a group called National Resource Group. So what this resource group will do is they will be having members, okay, who are very sound in training skills and experiences. So they will be very much experienced in adolescents health. Okay, so they are these NRG group will constitute 40 members. Okay, 40 members who are sound in adolescent health. Okay, and these people will be training the state resource group. So there will be NRG, that is the National Resource Group, which will be constituted by NCERT, and this NRG group will be having 40 members, and this 40 members will be efficient and skillful in adolescent health, and this group will be training the SRG, that is the State Resource Group, and as a result, this SRG will be training the health and wellness ambassadors, and with the help of health and wellness messengers as a that is the class monitors, this scheme will be implemented. Okay, I think you have got a complete picture of what is happening with this school health ambassador initiative. So thanks for watching. If you like the video and if it is very much useful, please you know what to do. You please subscribe it, share it, like it. Thank you.